a buy side imbalance exactly this level, and this market creates a low here, a high here, create this pool of liquidity exactly this level, and once a sweep of this liquidity into this zone and trade up. But where is this price action coming out from? It's from that's the 24-hourly time frame. This is VIX 25 to be very specific. From the daily time frame or the 24-hourly time frame, we have an imbalance residing exactly at this level, and I believe we're going to take out this imbalance, tap into it, then drop down. So for having that mindset, we're all going to buy this particular asset today, being Sunday. Is this 15th or 16th of this month? And let's see how it goes, man. Going down to the 15-minute time frame, we look for buy side imbalance to take out from. So all what we want from this level, if we check properly well, there's an imbalance residing in this level. That should be the first target, and we're already tapping into that zone. Okay, so let's see how it forms. Now we're already in this zone. Let's go down to the 1 minute time frame to have a refined entry. Let's see how price action develop in this zone. Let's see. Already the whole, what's it called? The whole liquidity has been swept. We have a shoot up, come down, and this is the whole eye there. So let's see whether we have an engulfing candle on this 1 minute time frame from this particular zone here. The whole of this one will only have a gap in this one, which make this level of a high value. So let's see. Weeks. This engulf boys with weeks. Okay, let's see. Let's not be aggressive. Let's watch out for price action delivery, and in this zone still pointing down, although we have another volume imbalance exactly this level. Let's see. We just need an engulfing candle that sweep both the lows and the highs of the previous candle, and we're just good to go, man. We're having the reaction, but we have not seen what we need yet. Trading, guys, is patient. Be patient and wait for it to come. We have not seen. Let's see. All right. We just need this candle to close and we are good to go, man. This is within this rainbow. Our stop loss is going to go below this volume imbalance, exactly this level. Okay, let's go long from here. We stop loss below this zone, and the first target is exactly this level. To take out the liquidity residing here, that's first target, enter 2 positions and all that, and the second target is above this high. So let's go guys, let's go there. This will be the second target. Once your plan aligned perfectly well, feel free to go in all right. So let's see how this price action develop. Excuse me, let me take up my phone and go in for the positions. Let me send the trade to the group. Let's see. Okay, we got tapped in. Perfect. Your stop loss should go below this candle here. This candle here. This candle to be specific. Just some pips below that candle. Yeah, we're good to go. Let's see. All right, you can see it taps into that last volume imbalance and it's about going. I like this buy side imbalance here. Should come back to tap inside, tap into this and move up. Think we're good to go, man. Let's see how this trade plays out. Let's see. All right, so let's see how it goes, man. It's still playing along. I wanted, permit me to get rid of this right now, and let's see how I manage up the trade. Perfect. All right, nice one. Think the first tip is about to be hit. Bam, 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 bam. Simple. You make your analysis as simple as this. This is how you should approach this 75. Now we're going to, all right, the first tip is tapped. As simple as that. Now we have, there's liquidity resting above this zone, and that's the second TP. Probably tapping into the daily leg here will be the last TP. So you should take some profit off the table right now. Okay, then set this one on break even and allow it to run. Right. So if you like what you see, this is the trade we have taken today, being Sunday. What's the date? Okay, today being Sunday, the 16th of June. We have a massive banger from the community today, and I think, right? If you like what you see, please click subscribe, comment, and let the algorithm refer this video to others, and let's see how it goes. So for now, peace out, be on break even and manage your risk. Till next time, keep practicing. All right.